What's up, everybody? P Double's back on a Sunday night, wrapping it up. Awesome week again. We're gonna finish it off with a little spectacular product. 2012, 2013, little 4-box mixer, but should pack a punch with those products. Woo woo! All right, everything is ready to go. Get this thing popping. Are you kidding me? Get me to a craps table, son! 7. Lucky number 7. Alright, as always, we do the names first. I'm going to run through the list of the names. Let me know if you don't see your name on here and you're supposed to be. If you grabbed a spot in the store or something, I might have missed it. Just let me know. We'll get everything squared away. But pay close attention. Make sure I got you in here. Lando 18, Nora W, Oslander, Kyle Hack, Denali Kid, Bry Peralt, D Murray, Pave Hawks USAF with 2, Aaron H, Pecker Bob, Ramo, Gary Gunner, GI Budman 33 Barkley, Doug 2448, Stolen Bases with 2, Chad So, Root Shark, Lunchbox, and then we've got Postman X, Lunchbox, GTGD, Liberate Madness, and Liberate Madness. They join this break in a very special way. Carter Fan 98, Jacob Monster, Boss Hog, and No Girl last spot. Mojo! Do I have everybody in who's supposed to be in the break? Whoop whoop! Let me know in the main chat if you see something whack. I am seeing no objections. I'm seeing no chat. So, lucky number 7 it is. 7 was the roll. Lando, I just want people to follow me when we go down the list to make sure you're in there. But you're in the number 1 spot. You took Jay Weeveld's spot. So there. You good to go. Here we go. 7 times. Here we go. Here we go. Shake it up. 1. Doug at the top. GTGD down below. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7th and final time. Thank you all for jumping in, filling this break. This one should pack a little bit of a punch. Here we go. PC Loving Mojo 7 times. Root Shark up top. Pecker Bob down below 7 times. 7 times. There is the list. Right on, Trip. Thank you, brother. I don't know what to do. You guys tell me what order we need to bust this in. I'm assuming a 2012 needs to be last. But which one? Or do we do the 2013s and then the 2012s? Do we do the playbooks and then the blacks? Do we do the blacks and then the playbooks? Oh my. Why? Thank you. Bold. 14. Didn't have the font window open for me. Didn't know how to make it bold and bigger. All right, here are the combos that the room decided since this is 2012-2013. We've got the Falcons, Ravens, and Lions, Jaguars comboed. There we go, everything in alphabetical all the way down to this Redskins. 7 times, here we go, guys. 1. Panthers up top, Giants down below. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Yes, I am unfortunately a Falcons fan, Lando. 7th and final time. Thank you all again for jumping in. PC Love and Mojo 7 times. Packers up top. Seahawks down below 7 times. Don't hate the player. Don't hate the player, Lando. Hate the game. Flaw. Alright. Let me copy and paste and we'll read everything off. Bold. And 14. Here is everybody's squads. Root Shark with the Packers, Pave Hawks, Broncos, GTGD Steelers, Boss Hog Chargers, Bry Peralt Cowboys, Lunchbox Texans, Aaron H Saints, Postman Giants, Lunchbox Patriots, D Murray Lions Jaguars, Stolen Bases Dolphins, 33 Barkley Colts, Lando Vikings, Carter Fan Bills, Chad So Redskins, Oslander Cardinals, Stolen Bases Bengals, Gary Gunner Browns, G.I. Budman Rams, Liberate Madness Raiders, Kyle Hack Niners, Liberate Madness Eagles, Denali Kid Panthers, Noel Girl Titans, Nora W with the Bears, Pave Hawk Chiefs, Doug with the Jets, Jacob Monster Bucks, Ramo with the Falcons Ravens, and Packer Bob Seahawks. Jeez, Noel Girl, what is with the Titans? Me, you, and the Titans. The past 2 nights. I got him in Jacob Monsters break. I think I got him in Packer Boz. I hit an Earl Campbell helmet. I've had the Titans a lot lately. All right. There we go. But you've got both. You've got RPA potential in both years. You've got Kendall Wright in 2012 and Justin Hunter in 13. So not too bad. And obviously, always vets possible in both of these products. All right. There we go. Trade away, trade away. Remember, 2013, 2014. Those are the years. randomizing and trading is probably going to take longer than the actual break itself. It's going to be a quick one. Hopefully we got some powder kegs sitting right there. Any trades confirmed? It ain't gonna take me long to get through these 4 boxes. Well, actually, hopefully it does, because so we'll hopefully be sitting there reveling at the beauties that are popping out. Promise. Pavehawks, my word. Pavehawks. Did you hear what you hit? In the last break, Pavehawks? Or do you want to wait for the video? Ditka Bear Sausage.
Look at Ditka.
I know. Do you want me to tell you, or do you want to wait? Do you want to wait for the video to be uploaded? Okay. Oh, jeez. Sorry about that, guy. When you hit the camera just goes. Yeah, it's cray. You had the Eagles. You had the Eagles, Pave. Shady McCoy, signed jersey. Liberate. I believe you got 2. You got 2 in the. You got 2 out of the special. Raiders and Eagles. Good luck, Nick Foles, my man. Pavehawks, I love you, bruh. All right. Thrills, any trades? Thing is sick, Paves. Thing is sick. All right. Not showing any trades. No trades. You got it. All right. What do we think? Let's do 2013 playbook, and then you guys let me know. We'll do 2013 playbook first. There's number 3, and then you guys let me know where we go. '13 playbook, and so both 2013s, and then the 2012s for the main events. Fatty. That's a double card pack. Skinny. All right, y'all. Good luck. For tonight, real PPTP, this is the last one for tonight. But we'll be back on Wednesday, and we can definitely do some more of these. These are fun. For the Dolphins, number 24 of 25, Jasper Collins. Super short print for the Dolphins. Stolen bases. I'm trying to get a Tannehill out of 12 for you. Stolen. Alright, this is a double card pack, hopefully. Packs a punch. Not so much. For the Rams, 11 of 25, Daryl Richardson. Wah, wah, wah. Matthew Stafford base for the Lions. Lions, D. Murray. Rams. G.I. Budman. I don't know why I want to open this one first. For the Titans, Justin Hunter. Bang. 3-color. There you go, Noel Girl, on the board. Pretty card. Pretty card. 118, 271. Yeah, for sure. Come on, double booklet autos. Come on, double booklet autos. This one is gold. For the Cardinals. Am I frozen? Okay, not frozen. Wow. Chunky, chunky. 6 of 25. Not autoed, but that is a nasty patch. Sick patch. For the Cardinals. Oslander. Oslander will dig that. 6 of 25. That's no tampon. Tampon. Not. All right. 2013 black. Box number 2. I honestly like when they try to kick up their autograph like that. Like you said, when it does look like something is being drawn, they're trying to draw something. For the Steelers, metal rookie, everybody's favorite wide receiver, Marcus Wheaton. GT. All right, first up, Chris Johnson for the Titans to $3.99. Roddy White for my Dirty Birds, $3.99. Kawan Short to $3.99. Panthers. Marlon Brown to $3.99. Ravens. And for the Jets, Ed Reed, 31, $3.99. Going to the Jets. Jets card. Super duper short print, 2 of 25, Rex Burkhead. For the Bengals, 2 of 25. Stolen bases. RPA. We've got 2 RPAs in this one. This one is numbered 8 of 25 for the Niners. Vance McDonald. I'm starting to wonder if they even packaged good cards in the first 3 waves of black. Because this last wave of black, we've gotten sick cards. For the Niners, Kyle Hack. Nice hit, brother. Don't you It is a Niner. Nice. I dropped the ball on that. Was that a Niner? Sick 4-color. 168 of 299. Matt Barkley. Pretty card. The Eagles liberate madness. Pretty card. Pretty card. And for the Patriots, 4 of 10. Josh Boyce. Like I said, we've just been getting ridiculously low numbered cards. Cray. Lunchbox on the board. Josh Boyce to 10. And for the Ravens, Matt Elam, 55 of 199. Combo team on the board. Ramo. Matty Lynn's good. I'm sorry, franchise. Last hit of the box. Justin Hunter, 58 of 99. Light blue temper. I know, right? Triple Crown. We've established such a high. All right, 2012. Here we go. Let's do the playbook. That's box number 5 that y'all picked. And then we'll do 2012 black. You darn right, Dicka. Skinny. Terrible, Dicka. Terrible, Brad. We're the worst. We are the worst. Whoa, 3 skinnies. 3 skinnies. Booklet. 3 skinnies. Those of y'all who know 2012 playbook, get ready. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it is what it is. But I hope it is. First up for the Steelers, 102 of 140. Sean Spence. For the Steelers, JT. I hope so. The bigger, the better. Well, that one's kind of cool. Very nice hit for the Cowboys. Jason Witten. There we go. Cowboys. Bry Peralt. Should be nice and low. 45 of 49. Nice. That's one I still don't have a Jason Witten auto. Need one. All right. Nope. No redemption. Son of a gun. 91 of 140 for the Cardinals. Jamel Fleming. So Jason Witten was the skinny insert auto that took the place of the other booklet. This one should be inked. Should definitely have ink on this. Wah, wah, wah. For the Jets. Wow, no ink. No booklet with ink. Bastards. One color, ball, one color, one color, ball, one color. What the? You get 3 autographs. One's supposed to be a booklet. They replaced the booklet with friggin' Jason Witten. 167 of 199 for the Jets. Jets. Doug on the board. Here we go. 2012 black. Box number 4. Good luck, everybody. Can't thank y'all for hanging out and jumping in this little break. Low risk, high reward. Let's see if we can get really nice 1 or 2 out of this bag. Yeah. All right. Good luck, everybody. 2012 black. Casey Hayward. 349. Oh, eBay. Nope. Sorry. 340. Yep. eBay 101. 349 to 349. eBay 101. Oh my God. Casey Hayward. Fletcher Cox. Everybody's favorite 2012 player, 349. Kenny Britt, Titans, 349. 11. 7 off his jersey. Steve Smith, Senior, number to 349. And for the Titans, Chris Johnson. Super short print, 9 of 25 for the Titans. I wish he was still relevant. We got man-to-man, Roddy White, Chris Gamble. To 349. Weaponry, Marshawn Lynch. To 349 for the Seahawks. RPA time. Justin Blackman, 3-color for the Jags. D. Murray. $86 of 99. Hoping for a little more fireworks than that. Kendall Reyes for the Chargers. To 99, 66 of 99. For the Chargers, Boss Hogg. And for the Patriots, Brandon Bolden, gold. To 99, 73 of 99. For the Patriots, Lunchbox. For the Broncos, Brock Osweiler. Orange Tamper, number to 299. Broncos. Pavehawks. Last card of the break. Thank you all for jumping in. Another eBay 101 for the Rams. Steven Jackson. 1 of 49. 2-color patch. Not bad, not great. Only $23 break, so yeah, I definitely wanted more fireworks than that. But we're gonna run one of these. We're gonna run a couple of these, and they're gonna pop. So thank you guys. Walking Dead, everybody get on it. We'll see everybody in Packer Bob's room tonight, probably in about an hour or so. Thank you guys for an awesome week of breaks. I'm going to have everything sorting and shipping and getting out tomorrow and Tuesday. If anything, everything should be out in the mail by Tuesday, no later. Thank you guys. We will see you all again on Wednesday. We'll do it up again. Thank you guys. Thank you, Paves, Jacob, Postman, Boss Hog, Trip Crown, all you guys. Dick, Bear, Sausage. Good to see you again, Brad. Y'all take it easy. 9:30ish. You got it. So about an hour and 20 minutes. About an hour and 20 minutes. We'll see Packer Bob. Thank you, Lunchbox. Right on. See you guys.